Can a creature of such immense power and stealth truly navigate a disappearing world?
Pythons. Ancient, formidable, and masters of survival in some of Earth's most challenging habitats.
From scorching deserts to lush rainforests, these constrictors have adapted to every corner.
Diversity is their strength. Each species, a testament to evolutionary brilliance.
Meet the African rock python, the green tree python, and the well-known Burmese python. Each possesses unique strategies for hunting, defense, and breeding.
Their senses are finely tuned. Heat-sensing pits detect prey in absolute darkness.
This incredible ability turns night into day, giving them an unparalleled hunting advantage.
Pythons are ambush predators. Patience is their greatest weapon.
Once prey is in range, an explosion of speed and power ensures a swift, inescapable grip.
Constriction, a method perfected over millions of years, stops blood flow, quickly incapacitating the victim. With flexible jaws, a python can swallow animals many times wider than its own head. Water also offers sanctuary and a hunting ground. Many pythons are adept swimmers.
They can hold their breath for extended periods, waiting for unsuspecting prey to approach the water's edge.
Reproduction is a perilous journey. Female pythons undertake incredible efforts to ensure their lineage.
She lays dozens of eggs, then coils around them, a living incubator and guard.
Unlike most reptiles, she can shiver to generate warmth, precisely regulating the egg's temperature. For 2 to 3 months, she remains vigilant, foregoing food to protect her precious clutch.
A new generation stirs within the fragile shells, preparing for a dangerous world.
The first breach. The hatchling uses a special egg tooth to cut its way free. One by one, the hatchlings emerge, miniature versions of their formidable mother.
Barely a foot long, these young pythons are instantly independent, facing immediate threats.
Her duty done, the mother departs, leaving her offspring to fend for themselves.
Predators abound. From birds to monitor lizards, every moment is a test of survival.
Instinct guides them. Camouflage and stealth are their first lines of defense.
Hunger drives them. Their first hunt is a critical rite of passage. Even at this small size, the constriction technique is innate and effective. A successful hunt fuels their rapid growth, but many won't survive their first year.
Growth demands change. Pythons periodically shed their old skin in a process called ecdysis.
This vulnerable period leaves them temporarily blind and exposed to danger.
A new skin, brighter and stronger, allows for continued growth and repairs any damage.
With each shed, the Burmese python grows larger, its power and presence becoming more pronounced.
Camouflage is not just for defense, but also for hunting. The green tree python is a prime example.
Its vibrant green scales and unique posture make it almost invisible among the forest leaves.
A prehensile tail acts as an anchor, allowing lightning-fast strikes at unsuspecting birds or rodents.
The green tree python is a master of ambush, striking with incredible speed and precision.
Its powerful jaws and sharp teeth are designed to secure its unsuspecting prey instantly.
Constriction, a signature python hunting method, is a deadly embrace, cutting off blood flow.
Each breath the prey takes tightens the python's grip, leaving no chance of escape.
Once subdued, the green tree python carefully positions its meal for swallowing. Pythons' flexible jaws allow them to swallow prey much larger than their head.
A successful hunt means long digestion, conserving energy for vital activities.
From lush canopy, we move to harsh deserts, where other pythons thrive.
The ball python, named for its defensive posture, resides in African savannas.
Nocturnal, the ball python uses heat-sensing pits to locate warm-blooded prey.
These specialized pits detect infrared radiation, painting a thermal map of its surroundings. With a swift, precise strike, the ball python overpowers its prey, ensuring a meal. Its method of dispatching and consuming prey mirrors its arboreal cousins. Some pythons embrace a semi-aquatic life, perfectly adapted to wetlands and rivers.
The Burmese python, one of the largest, is at home on land and in water.
Its immense power allows it to navigate dense waterways with remarkable ease.
Here, it ambushes a wide array of prey: birds, mammals, even small alligators.
A sudden burst, the Burmese python lunges from water, seizing a mammal. Burmese python constriction is legendary, capable of suffocating substantial prey. Consuming such large meals is an hours-long ordeal, requiring tremendous physiological effort. Beyond hunting, the python life cycle is marked by the critical phase of reproduction.
Most female pythons are dedicated mothers, coiling around eggs to incubate and protect.
The hunts. Some python species shiver, a muscular contraction warming their developing embryos. After weeks of incubation, new life begins to emerge from within the leathery shell.
The hatchling uses an egg tooth to pip its way out, a struggle for survival. Each new python hatchling is a miniature replica, ready to face the world.
Born fully independent, young pythons must immediately fend for themselves.
The journey is perilous. Only resilient python hatchlings will survive to adulthood.
From hatchlings to magnificent adults, pythons embody raw power and nature's resilience.
Their continued survival is a testament to incredible adaptations, a triumph of the wild.